guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 3/4 cups of self-raising flour which I have sifted, 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 150 grams of soft butter, 1/3 cup of caster sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips for decorating. You will also need a spatula, an electric beater, and 2 trays lined with some baking paper. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven, 160 degrees if it's a fan-forced oven and 180 degrees if it's a conventional oven. Take a big dish, add butter, caster sugar, brown sugar, and 1 egg and beat it well using an electric beater until combined. If you do not have an electric beater, you can always use a wooden spoon or a whisk. Add vanilla and beat it again. Scrape any excess dough off the beaters and the sides of the dish as well. Add chocolate chips and 1/3 of the self-raising flour at a time and fold it in using a spatula until just combined. Repeat this until you have finished using up all the flour. Scrape any excess dough off the spatula and bring all the dough together using your fingers. Now take 1 tablespoon of dough at a time, roll it into a ball, flatten it slightly and put it on the tray lined with baking paper 2 to 3 inches apart so the cookies can spread while baking. Use the extra chocolate to decorate the tops of the cookies. Bake it in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until light brown in color. Take it out and let it cool down completely before serving. Leftover cookies can be stored in an airtight container. My chocolate chip cookies are ready. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.